Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tips tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make an intro for YouTube on Capcut. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you have to find a video that suits to your YouTube content. For example, my theme is about traveling, so I use this video. Now go over and add some text intro and change its font to whatever you like. I'm just gonna go with Northwell. Now after that, I'm gonna adjust the text same as the entrance of the car. Now after that, I'm just gonna make the text a compound clip. And now go to videos and mask, and now click the horizontal and adjust its angle to 90 degrees. And now we have to slide it to the left and add a keyframe to make the slide right effect along with the car passing by. Now after that, add a keyframe also to the end of the word along with the movement of the car. And now this is how it looks like. Now after that, go over to effect and drop some effects to the text you want to add. Now you can adjust the effect if you want to add it only at the end of the text clip, just like mine. And now you have to fade out the animation of both clips. After that, you can add some music to your intro. Now make sure to fade out the music for about 0.6 for a smooth outro. And that's how you make a simple YouTube intro using Capcut. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.